So let's do this 3-6 study guide together so we remember how we do this, and there's no confusion when we do the classwork, because I'm not going to give you guys homework during park testing, but we are going to be still doing classwork. So box and whisker plots. So as we've been doing the last couple days, box and whisker plot summarizes data using the median, the upper and lower quartiles, and the extreme highest and lowest values. Okay. For example, draw a box and whisker plot that to show this data, these data, because the word data is plural. 50, 53, blah, blah, blah. On a number line, graph the following points. So we have a example that the lower extreme. So did they give us the whole thing and then ask us to do it? Pretty much. So it's asking us to do it, and then it gives it to us. Anyway, okay. So with that, with those data that it says there, it starts with 50 and ends with 85, and they already have it in order. So we put a point at the extreme lowest. So I'd like you to acknowledge that we are doing the extreme lowest right here by putting a line there. And we're going to do, might as well do the upper extreme as well, which is 85. So it's 2 lines there. Then in order to find the median, we did 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, ding, 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 68. So I'm going to put a line here. Yeah. Then we have the upper quartile, which is going to be described here. The upper quartile is going to be at 71. Then we have a lower quartile, which is going to be halfway between the median and the lower extreme. So we would go from here, we would go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So it's at 60. Wait, that's not right. What did I do wrong there? Let's try that again. So our median is, oh, that's why, 68. So it's going to be between these two. Boom, 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 boom. And then we find the halfway between those two, and that's going to be 58.5. 58.5. There we go. Much better. So then I'm going to make that actually a box. And then I'm going to connect those two here. And that's how you do a box and whisker plot from that information. Yes, sir? Good question. Good question. No, since 68 is our median, we would be going from those guys, those data. Okay? From those data, that's where we go from. Okay. Any questions on that? And how much does that look like? How much does that look like? The one that we see right here. So we draw a box around so we're going to draw a box around the quartile values, draw a vertical line through the median, and end the whiskers and quartiles to the upper and lower extremes. Now, there's 2 ways you could do this. You see though how there's dots there? You'll also see them with the line like we've been doing. Okay. You also see them with the line like we've been doing, and also, isn't that how it is in your notes? Yep. Yeah. So you see them with the line or just a dot. Using a box and whisker plot below. Oh, I just realized I used this rather than the other one. Use the box and whisker plot below to answer each question. So what is the median on this one? Someone raise your hand. Let's see here. Avery. 30. It is 30. The median is 30 because it shows right here. That's where the line is, and it actually looks right in the middle of the box too. What is the upper and lower extremes? Okay, what is the lower extreme, Andrew? 20. Okay, what is the upper extreme, Potter? Okay, lower is 20. Upper, you said 45? Yeah. I agree. Simple stuff, right? Yeah. What is the interquartile range? interquartile range. Interquartile range. What does inter mean? Inside or intra? Interquartile range. What do you think this could be?
Like the range from the upper quartile and the lower quartile.
So upper quartile, lower quartile, that range. Do you have anything to add to that? And what would it be? Sparrow, do you know? 25? Good guess. Quinn? 10, possibly. Good guess. Okay. What do you think? 15? Okay. Good guess. We have 20, 15, 10. So the interquartile range is going to be from the upper quartile to the lower quartile, which is 10
I got it right.
because of 35 minus 25. You were correct, sir. Yep. Okay, so it's going to be the interquartile range is going to be 10. Draw a box and whisker plot for the set of data in the stem and leaf plot. Now, these here, just to remind you, a stem and leaf, if you see a 30 and then somewhere in here is a 5, that means that the data is 30, 35, and 36, and this number here is represented right well. Whoops. This number here is represented, come on, thank you, right there. Okay? That's what it means by this. All right. So we're going to do this one together. So we're going to make a box and whisker plot. So first off, what is the, well, when we're making our number line, how far do I need to go on the number line as far as to the left goes? What's the lowest number that I should put on there? Yeah. 30, because that's going to be the 30, the lowest number there too. Good. So 30, and I'm going to look at my data. What increment should I go up with my number line? What increment should I go up with my number line? Should I go by 10s? Should I go by 30s? Should I go by like 252.3? Each time we have, yeah, that'd be a good one. No, that wouldn't. What should I go up by? Taylor? Okay, here's what I'm asking. Each of these dash marks, what should they be? Should it be 31, 32, 33? What increment should I go up by? Yeah. Fives? Let's try fives and see how that looks. 5, 40, 45, 50. Okay? We could spread that out a bit, right? So we would need to do 5, 36, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Good. I'm going to move this down a little bit. Bum, bum, bum. So let's plot some of these points, shall we? I did it again. So we'll go 30. Well, first off, what should we do? What should we look at? Yes. The median? Okay, how about, yeah, we can do that. Sure, let's find the median. We can do that first, sure. So we have 31, or 30, 60, 35, 32, 36, 64, 40, 51. Oops, I should go the other way. 40, 59, 42, 59, 46, 58, 47, 53. Boom, 51. 51. What should we find next? Got to make sure we hit all those points. The median, the upper quartile, the lower quartile, the extremes, high and low. Abby? Okay, let's find the upper and lower extremes. Those are the easiest ones to find after all. So we have 30 and 64. Do you agree? Good. Now let's find the upper quartile. Let's find the upper quartile. So we have 51 as being the median, so we have to find halfway between the highest value and that number, and the median. So what's it going to be? What do you think, Abby? There is no 50. Oh, okay. Okay. 44 and 56. I'm going to disagree with you on that. Here's what you should be doing with this, since everybody's kind of just looking up here with doe eyes. 53, 64, 58, 62, 59, 60. Boom. 59. Okay? It's the median of the median, almost. Okay? It's from the median to there. So we have 59. How about the lower quartile? Since I did that one, what's the next one? Yes. 40, I agree. And that's how it's done. And that's how it's done. Any questions on that? All right. Peace out, river trout.